I just couldn't wrap my mind around how could you cement a bracket onto a tooth without there being excess that you'd have to clean up, because for years and years and years this is what we've done. First time I was actually handed a bracket with the Flash Free adhesive to try on. What I noticed was when I was putting them on extracted teeth is I took the first 3 out of the packaging and I put them onto the tooth, and the first thing I did is go around each tooth trying to clean the excess cement, and then I realized I was actually looking to clean the excess cement that wasn't there. So it was one of those things that revolutionizes the way you think and changes everything about bonding brackets to teeth. One of the things that we noticed right off the bat is that we didn't have to take the bracket and push it as hard onto the tooth surface to extrude all the excess cement. There is no excess cement to extrude out, and that's one of the things that you have to constantly put in the back of your mind as you're getting through the learning curve and as you're learning to use the new adhesive system, is that depending on what you were used to in the past, we're used to either pushing really hard if we had really thick cements that we're bonding the teeth with, or not as hard depending on the consistency of the cement. The whole technology is different. As soon as we figured out that all we had to do is place the bracket onto the tooth, position it, and move to the next tooth, we saw a big difference in how quickly we could get through a bonding appointment. One of the things that struck me as remarkable with this bracket is in the first 200 brackets that we bonded on actual patients, we've only had 1 bracket failure. And that was on the same day that the brackets were placed on the patient. We know when that happens, the likelihood of that bond failure is due to probably the teeth getting wet or insufficient isolation. Or systemic error on our part, but we've only had 1 bracket fail, which is significantly less than what our overall bracket failure rate at our office is.